Good morning, dear students. For class 8, the same chapter, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Four more questions I will solve, and they are based on square and rectangles. Okay, they are based on squares and on rectangles, because before this I have explained about triangles, area of triangle, perimeter of triangle. On the basis of that, we have solved some questions. Now we all know area of square is equal to side into side, area of rectangle length into breadth. Perimeter of square 4 into side, perimeter of rectangle 2l plus b. And most important, diagonal of square under root 2 into side. Remember that. Diagonal of square under root 2 into side, and diagonal of rectangle under root l square plus breadth square. Okay. Now, I have written some questions. First question is, find the length and perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 120. Find the length and perimeter of a rectangle whose area is 120 centimeter square and breadth is 8 centimeter. First of all, in any question, whatever the given quantity is there, please write. Now, question number 1, I will solve here only. I don't have space. Find the length and the perimeter of the rectangle. Note down, this is a rectangle whose area is given 120 centimeter square and breadth is given 8 centimeter. If area is given, breadth is given, we can find what? Length. We all know length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to area. So length is equal to area upon breadth we can write, and area is 120 centimeter square. Breadth is 8 centimeter. So 8 1 is 8. 8 5 is 40, that is 15 centimeter is length, and we have to find the length. Okay, and perimeter. So perimeter will be 2l plus b for a rectangle. So 2l is 15 and breadth is 12. Sorry, breadth is 8. So 2 into 15 plus 8, 23. That is 46 centimeter will be the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay. Now, for the second question, is the diagonal of a square. Remember that the diagonal of the square is given 12 centimeter long. So question number 2 is, given diagonal of a square, what it is given? 12 centimeter long. Now, whatever the quantity is given, that formula you should remember. That diagonal of square is, I told you, under root 2 into side is equal to diagonal of square. Okay. Now, under root 2 into side is equal to diagonal is 12 centimeter. So side will be 12 upon under root 2. 12 upon under root 2, we can solve it by rationalization. Under root 2, so we can write 12 under root 2 upon 2. 2 6 are 12, that is 6 under root 2 centimeter is what? Side of the square. Now, we have to find its area and the length of one side. Length of one side we have got 6 under root 2, and we all know area of square. Side square. Formulas play a very important role in this chapter. Okay, you should have the knowledge of formulas, then only you can solve. Side square means 6 under root 2 square, that is 6 under root 2 multiplied by 6 under root 2. 6 6 are 36 multiplied by 2, that is 72 centimeter square will be the area of the square. Okay. Now, third question. Third question is, the perimeter of a square is numerically equal to its area. All these questions I have taken from your books only. Some good questions I have taken. You can solve on the basis of these questions, the other questions also. So please practice. So the perimeter of a square is numerically equal to its area. Find its area. Numerically, in question number 3, perimeter of square is equal to the area of square, as the question is saying. Okay, perimeter of square we know 4 into side, and area of square we know side into side, that is side square. Okay, so side will be cancelled. If I write 4, if you have any confusion, 4 into a is equal to a into a, as the question is saying numerically they are equal. So a will be cancelled by a, so a is 4. A means what? Side is 4 centimeter. So if side is 4 centimeter, we have to find the area. So area of square we all know, side into side, that is 4 into 4. 16 centimeter square will be the area of the square. Okay, now last question. Not last question for now. For now it is last question. Okay. So, fourth question. Very important question. A path of a uniform width. A path, एक रास्ता है, a uniform width 3 meter runs around the outside of a square field of side 21 meter. One square field is there. We will have to draw one figure also for this question. One square field is given. The side of the square field is given 21 meter, and one path of 3 meter is running all around from the outside of this park. Okay, a path of uniform width 3 meter. So this is 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter, and of course 3 meter, running all around from the, this is A, B, C, D we can write. This one we can write P, Q, R, S. This is what? Path, that is rasta, to travel around or to move around. Okay, now the question asking for the find the area of the path. You have to find the area of the path. Very easy. For this question, first of all, you will find the area of this inside path. This is park. This is park with the path, that is rasta. So first of all, you find area of park ABCD. I have given the name ABCD, and as this is what? A square. So area of park will be side square. That is 21 multiplied by 21. 441 meter square will be the area of the park. Now, if this is the length of PQ will be 3 meter from this side, 3 meter from this side. The side is increased. So 21 plus 3 plus 3. You will write 20, 3, 3, 6. So 27 meter will be the side of this PQ. Now, we will write area of park including path, that is road, side square. And now the new side is 27. So 27 into 27. Let us find out the square of 27. You can multiply 27 multiplied by 27. 7 7 are 49. 7 2 are 14 and 4 18. 2 7 are 14. 2 2 are 4 and 1 5. So 9. 8 4 12. 7 29. Is this correct? Okay, if this is wrong, please correct it afterwards. Now, we have got the area of PQRS, we have got the area of ABCD. Now, area of roads or area of path only. PQRS minus ABCD. So, 729 minus 441. This will be the answer. 9 minus 1, 8. 12 minus 4, 8. And 6 minus 4, 2. This much meter square, 288, will be the area of the road only. So these kind of questions are very important for your examination point of view. Some more questions are there. We'll meet very soon for this once again. So till then, please practice them. See you soon. Thank you so much.